What's up guys, PyPop101 here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to download Cheat Engine 7.4 virus free. So let's get started. First off, we're going to want to type in Cheat Engine, and we're going to go to the first link, cheatengine.org. Click on this big download button. Cheat Engine will download. Click to open it, hit yes, select OK. Now we're going to go through the specific steps to make sure you only download Cheat Engine. Hit next, decline, and allow it to download. There you go. You've installed Cheat Engine only with Cheat Engine, none of the other stuff that causes viruses. Now we hit finish, and here we go. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton. Thanks for watching.